as the winter winds litter London with lonely hearts. All is warmth in your eyes swept me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold that led us through the night? For every kiss, your beauty jumped my doubt. And my head told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my head, this time no, this time no. We'll be washed and buried one day, my girl. And the time we were given will be left for the world. The flesh that lived and loved will be eaten by plague. So let the memories be good for those who stay. Yeah. And my heart told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my head, this time no. Yes, my heart told my head, this time no, this time no. Oh, the shame that sent me off from the God that I love was the same that sent me into your arms. Oh, and pestilence is one when you are lost and I am gone, and no hope will overcome. And if your strikes at your sleep, remember spring swaps snow or leaves. You'll be happy and wholesome again when the city clears and sun escapes. My heart told